Hey y'all, happy Saturday. So I'm on my way to mom's house to sit with her for a minute and chill, talk, have some coffee. We like to have our coffee days, coffee time. And yeah, I'm gonna do that with her. And then I don't know what else is gonna be in this video. So I'm just opening up the video for this week. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Share the channel with all your family members, your friends, your cousins, all that great stuff. And don't forget to like the video. I appreciate you all for loving on me, for appreciating me, for commenting on my videos and letting me know how much you appreciate everything. I appreciate y'all. So I'll see you guys in a little while. Those was the good old days. But yeah, Harry, he be remembering stuff. And I think, Teddy kind of remembers stuff too. I know he was saying something about the peas. Yeah. In one of my videos, I was telling them how my brother had to sit at the table until he ate those peas. And you wasn't playing with it. You know, you wasn't playing with us about that.
No,
Oh, so he still don't eat them. See how that room looks real open because it's light. It's a soft white.
Okay.
We're gonna start with the kitchen because to me the kitchen is the heart of the home and sets the tone.
But he eat vegetables though. He eat other vegetables. Okay. Because I know Marilyn, she don't be playing about that food. She said she got him eating carrots and celery.
Yeah.
With celery with peanut butter.
Ain't carrying it too much.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Y'all, I'm just now getting ready to leave Mama's. I don't know if I don't even think I even said anything. Y'all, it is Saturday. I think it's what's today? It's March 16th. That's what day it is. So I'm just leaving Mama's. Y'all already know she gave me my bag. I got my bag and stuff. Whatever I showed y'all. Plus she gave me some pancake mix. So guys, yeah, that's gonna do it for me. I just wanted to open up this video. It is Saturday for all that you wanted to know. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and probably end this video, this part of the video. How y'all doing today though? Everybody doing well? I'm doing great. I can't complain. All praise to the Most High. He's been good to me and I'm grateful for that. But yeah guys, this week's video is gonna be great. I can't wait to show y'all. We're gonna do plenty of things and it's gonna be good. So I want you guys to stay tuned for that. And I'll see you in the next part of this video. Happiest Saturday. Y'all, I stopped in Value World. If you can see behind me, I don't see if y'all can see their sign. Wait a minute, let me see if y'all can see their signs. The sign is up there. So most things are 99 cents for green. 99 cents for green and 50% off yellow. And all their winter stuff is 75% off. But I found these boots, y'all. Y'all know I need some boots for my backyard. It be wet and stuff. So I found these. And let me see if y'all can see. I'm trying to show y'all how they look. Uh-oh. It's kind of hard for me to do it, but that's what they look like. On the side. So I just happened to look and they're 99 cents green. So let me show y'all. It say 14 on here, but for the other boot, y'all, people is nosy. They just be staring and looking. You see where it say X green? That mean they're 99 cents. Good for me, hooray, right? All right, y'all, let me put my shoes and stuff back on. Okay, I'll see you guys later. You guys, I did get the boots, so they're over there. I seen a follower, so thanks Marcel for stopping and saying something to me. Let me know in the when you watch the video that you know I shouted you out, because I promised you that I would do that. So guys, I will see you all in the next video. Bye y'all. And then those boots come in handy, so when we go on our little nature hikes and it's rainy, I can take y'all with me still, okay? All right, y'all. Happy Sunday and welcome back to the channel. I am your host Sonia. So today guys, it's March the 17th and I spend a lot of time in this room, but there's probably like little things here and there that you haven't seen. You guys did see me like vacuum, things like that. I've never wiped down this console table. So if you're interested in what's in the console table, while I like freshen it up, wipe the top, insides, my lamp and all that great stuff, then stay tuned for more, okay? But let me say this. If this is not the channel for you, because we have peace here, there is no drama, there is no negativity, there is no jealousy. If this is not the channel for you, then please, by all means, go somewhere else, okay? I needed to say that because I'm starting to get tired of people with their nonsense. It doesn't like bother me like mentally or internally. It's just foolish And I do know that we're living in some times right now that people are just choosing to be a little iffy and a little ugly and a little wicked. And it's okay, but it's just not tolerated on this channel. And if I keep seeing things like that, I'm gonna block you from my channel. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the cleaning, okay? I got some fun stuff for you guys today, okay? Hold on. So guys, I have never cleaned this cabinet since we had got it. I'm just showing you what's inside. This is game cards, the kids' paintings and projects and things like that, and a couple of books that I got from trips that I took out of town. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys a FYI what was in my cabinet, and that I'm being truthful. I have not wiped this thing out since it's been like 2 years, okay? All right, y'all, we're finished back there. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm just trying to get my house together the way I want and just clear some things out so it new, just feel good, okay? But anyway, y'all, I picked up something. It's actually, well, I'm not say pick up, I ordered something and I'm already using it, but maybe I'll share it with you all, or maybe I won't, I don't know. When I decide to share it with you guys what it is, just remember it was in here, okay? I'm gonna do that. But it fits inside of 2 pieces of like square foam, okay? Fits in the middle so it doesn't bend. So whenever I decide to share it with you guys or something, then I'll let you guys know that's what was in that package, okay? Some things is just, you know. But anyway, I got this box and I picked this up from the place that I go to sometimes on Thursdays. It's actually a set of candlesticks, like real minimalistic, stick-like candlesticks. And I've seen these before and I didn't get them. But on this particular day, it was actually Dollar Day, but they were doing 2 for $1 day. So this is what they look like. Okay, it has like the base, flat base, has like 3 different sizes of metal, you know. And then it has like these type of tops. So I'm gonna put these together and I'm gonna show you guys where I'm gonna place these, okay? So I'm going to let's see here. Let me see. I'm gonna bring y'all a little closer. I'm going to actually, I don't know why it looks like, okay, this is what we're trying to do. Okay, so I'm actually going to remove these because I actually had these on OfferUp, guys, and I'm gonna just leave them on OfferUp. I want somebody to buy them, but I was trying to keep it where I'll keep them only because if you see, this has like the ridges, so that's the reason why I was gonna keep those. There's really no reason for me to keep these. So I'm gonna put these over here, and I do have the other candle to this. So let me go get it, and then we'll get started with putting those together. I think it's a really nice set, and I think it's gonna look nice sitting there on the actual table. Okay, so I know y'all can see me, but here it is here. So I'm gonna put these together with y'all. How y'all doing today? I don't even think I asked y'all how y'all doing today. Like I said, today is Sunday. Y'all, it's so cold here. I wish this heat would come on. I'm gonna either put on a sweater, but it's so cold. So yeah, guys, it's like real minimalistic candlesticks like that, okay? And all you will do is you screw this part in here like that, and then you screw, I thought I took these off of here. Now I don't think, I was trying to feel and see if these tops, I was trying to see if these tops were metal, but I'm not 100% sure. But this is how it goes, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and do those, and then we'll come back, all right? But this is what that looks like, okay? Ain't that pretty? Y'all got some, I'm gonna bring y'all along for something else, but this is so cute. Look how minimal, look, it's so cute. So nice and sleek, I like it. So guys, I don't know if I showed y'all, I found my remote control for my humidifier. Uh-oh, what's going on? What's going on? I think it's getting started, hold on y'all. Okay, power on, and are you ready? Y'all, hold on. I don't know what it just happened. It's plugged up. I think I'm supposed to wait for something. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's working. So this adjusts like the speed of the mist and stuff like that. So let's go. Those. Hopefully y'all can see that. I'm trying to get the mist to like 1 or something. We got the temp, we got the sleep. Oh, hold on. The mist volume. There you go. Want it on 1. There we go. We got it on 1, y'all. We did it. All right. Let's go on to the next project. All right, y'all. So I found this one day at that same place I picked up those boots that you guys will see on my other little excursion I'm on. But I picked up like this mason jar looking bottle. It was 80 cents, I got it for 40 cents. So I'm gonna take, I don't know if I showed y'all, maybe I did show y'all these labels, but these are really nice labels, and I needed one for bleach, so I'm gonna click the bleach one. I'm gonna use this one for the bleach. So all you do is just take it, and you just put it on the bottle, position it where you want it, like that. And then, wait a minute, I don't even have it even, hold on. I ain't got my glasses on, but anyway, this is how you would do it, like that, okay? Then I put the top on it. I'm gonna add me some bleach to it, and that's gonna be nice underneath my cabinet. But I gotta, oh, excuse me. I have a new project I'm working on, y'all. So my idea is, I had this paper, and I remember I had some more that I found. So I'm going to actually use this. I'm gonna start on this project. So my whole idea, y'all, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I am going to start on making me a back wall. And the back wall is gonna go here. You know what I mean? Let me see, I'll use one of these. So actually, I'm just gonna take, let me see, it's probably gonna go here. So just really on this back wall, I'm gonna have this part covered, and then over here, I'm gonna have this part covered. So I'm gonna start on that, and then we're gonna end out the video. So y'all stay tuned, because I'm about to get started. Tricky. So, I'm gonna end out this video, guys. Remember to love yourself so that you can love others, so this world will be a much better place. I'm moving right along. You guys will see the full finished product when I get done. And I thought, look at that. That matches the rug. I wasn't even thinking about that. But y'all, it's snowing outside. I don't know if y'all be able to see, but you should be able to see some snow. Anyways, it's snowing, but I got me on a pot of greens. I'm gonna cut up me some French fries I'm gonna eat. Remember to love yourself so that you better love others. So what? This world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. We'll do it again later.